Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs. Yes, you guys. So as you guys can see here, we have a hashtag Acrylic Pouring Fun. Yes, this is going to be a collaboration that I'm going to be doing with Teresa's Creation, but is going to be open for any of you guys that would like to try and would like to join. If you have some paints, maybe even some old paints that you feel like you want to use up real quick so that you can restock or whatever the case may be, then this is definitely the best way that you can go about using up some of those paints and doing something that is very stress free and doesn't really require for you to have any you don't have to have like any drawing ability or anything like that. This is just pretty much mixing up some paints, diluting some paints, pouring some paints, and then watching what happens. So this collaboration is going to be for 5 weeks. It's going to be myself as well as Teresa's Creations. We're going to be uploading videos every Thursday where we're going to be demoing a different technique every week. Now, grant you guys, we are not perfect at this craft. We are learning. We are total noobs, total beginners, but we do enjoy it. We thoroughly enjoy, acrylic pouring. And as you guys, maybe some of you guys were there on when I did my live, you saw how much fun we had. And it's not about perfection. It's not about any of that. It's just about the joy of just playing around with colors and just watching what happens and, a little bit of science to go along with it. So if you would like to participate in the collab, you're more than free to do so. We're going to be having a $20 cash prize on both of our channels. So that's the possibility for you to win up to $40 by the end of the 5th week. You have to be a part of every single week if you are going to be entered into the drawing. So only those that start and finish the Acrylic Pouring Fun hashtag are going to be entered into the drawing. So you have $20 from my channel and $20 from Teresa's Creations channel. That you can win if you participate. In order to participate, you do not have to film yourself in the process of making your project. I don't think that you should have to do that if you don't feel comfortable in sharing that part of it. It would be awesome to see, how it all unfolds before our eyes. But you just pretty much have to share, your project, your acrylic pouring fun, you having fun with your acrylic pouring. So we're going to have all the information down below because you guys know I'm terrible at, these informative kinds of videos. I'm much better at explaining other people's stuff than explaining my own. Isn't that crazy? And then we're also going to be doing a giveaway for one of the creations that we create. So one of my canvases that I'm going to end up making for my channel and a canvas that Teresa's going to make from her channel, we're going to be giving that away to one of the viewers from both channels. And again, that can be somebody that wins 2 or that can be 2 different people. It all depends. So I'm going to have all the information down below. If you're interested and would like to, you're ready to go and you would like to hop on in, and you would like to start the collab and you would like to pretty much, you're ready to go for Thursday because Thursday is when we're going to do our first video. And you would like the prompts, let us know. And we'll get that information to you. You can contact myself or either Teresa's Creation through her channel, and we'll get those prompts out for you. It's gonna pretty much be the acrylic pouring fun, but we're gonna give you different. There's gonna be a different technique for every day, for every week, or a different type of project with the acrylic pouring. So there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff that we're gonna be trying out, and for me, most of it is new. So it's gonna be super fun, and throw caution to the wind type of situation. So I hope that you will join. I hope that you will watch. 5 weeks, you guys, is going to start today. It's going to end on November the 1st. Every Thursday, we're going to be uploading a video. And I hope I did this correctly. I hope I got all the information correctly. Me and Teresa have been talking about this for the past couple of days, just kind of going back and forth between the prompts and this and that and just all the different details. I will leave for you in the description area down below different things that you can use. So I'm going to leave for you the information as far as what you need to mix your paints with, the consistent. I will leave for you some kind of information down below in the description area, just so that you know. But you know that YouTube is full. There's a plethora of YouTube videos on how you should go about this. I will also try to link up maybe some videos that might be helpful to you if you've never done this before. So I hope that you will check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and definitely check out the description area for more information, and I hope that you will join. Definitely make sure to check out Teresa's Creations channel, and if you're not subscribed to her channel, then definitely subscribe. Bye.